Within months of that initial report on December 31st, 2019, what first appeared to be a string of cases of viral pneumonia would become a global pandemic.
It triggered social lockdowns, caused economic chaos, and tested the limits of health systems worldwide. Millions of people lost loved ones. Circle of Health reporter Denise Sador takes a look back at the past 5 years and where COVID-19 stands today.
December 31st, 2019, the World Health Organization received the first reports of a viral zoonotic disease. The epicenter, a seafood market in Wuhan, China.
We had a virus, we knew what the virus was, but we really didn't have effective treatments.
Infectious disease specialist Dr. David Bronstein with Kaiser Permanente Antelope Valley says within weeks, the novel coronavirus now known as COVID-19 spread to several countries. The first U.S. case confirmed in Washington in January. Within a year, LA County became the first in the nation to record 1 million confirmed cases.
We've lost 7 million people in the world, 1.2 million in the United States. It's been absolutely tragic.
Among them, 42-year-old Tony Damien, brother of Baldwin Park Mayor Pro Tem Daniel Damien.
Ended up in the hospital for 2 weeks with COVID pneumonia, and that's unfortunately what ended his life. There's not one day that I don't think about my brother.
In December 2020, a game changer. The FDA issues emergency use authorizations for the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. Scientists estimate in its first year, it saved 15 to 20 million lives worldwide.
It feels like the virus really has become endemic at this point, but I think it's still important to realize that the virus is still out there.
In May 2023, the global public health emergency ends. COVID cases and deaths have dropped dramatically since the pandemic, but Dr. Bronstein says we can't forget the lessons learned.
Last year, for example, about 70,000+ people in the U.S. still passed away from COVID. And yet the numbers of us who are vaccinating ourselves has gotten quite a bit lower than it needs to be.
Denise Sador, ABC7 Eyewitness News.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel. And download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.